Video quality has improved a lot over the years, but many older clips still look blurry or faded. Thanks to AI technology, restoring hidden details and enhancing these videos has become easier than ever. There are several AI-powered tools available today that help sharpen, denoise, and restore old footage. Each has its own strengths and limitations, suited for different user needs and scenarios. To save you some time, I wanted to start with my personal favorite, VidHex. Why? Because it's simple, easy to use, and really effective. VidHex uses advanced AI super resolution technology trained on millions of HD and 4K images. It can intelligently fill in missing pixels and restore details like hair strands, fabric textures, and subtle patterns. Even a 720p video can quickly be upgraded to near 4K quality, giving you stunning clarity and vibrant colors. The best part, it's designed to be super user-friendly, so anyone can enjoy high-quality video enhancement without a steep learning curve. Now, let's move on to After Effects. Many of you might already know Adobe's After Effects. It's powerful, it can sharpen details, stabilize shaky footage, and adjust colors for richer tones. Basically, it can make your videos look clearer, smoother, and more polished. But here's the catch, it's expensive and the interface can be a bit intimidating at first. So it's a great tool if you're already comfortable with video editing, but maybe not the fastest way to get results if you just want a quick upgrade. Next up, there's Topaz Video Enhance AI, which is quite popular. I like this one because it makes restoring old footage super easy. You can sharpen images, reduce noise, and even upscale to 8K. The downside, it does demand a lot of computer power, so you'll need a pretty capable machine for large videos. Lately, HitPaw Video Enhancer has been getting attention. Its specialty is improving low-light videos, which is great if you often shoot in less than ideal lighting. It's also user-friendly, perfect for casual users and creators. Just keep in mind that some features are limited. Processing big files can be slow, and the free version adds a watermark. Finally, there's AFCLab's Video Enhancer AI. It delivers impressive upscaling and face enhancement, plus it can deblur footage effectively. I like that it balances an intuitive interface with advanced controls. On the downside, advanced editing options are limited, complex tasks take longer, and it can struggle with very large video files. So, as you can see, each tool has its strengths and trade-offs. For me, taking into account ease of use, speed, and overall results, VidHex comes out on top. Let's dive into a hands-on tutorial so you can see how to bring your videos back to life. 1. To get started, open VidHex and click the click or drag file here button on the homepage to upload your video. If you already know the type of file, you can also choose a shortcut at the bottom of the homepage to jump straight into editing. This saves a bit of time and gets you going faster. 2. VidHex offers AI models optimized for different types of videos, like animation, live action, or old films. Picking the right model makes a big difference, you'll get better results faster. 3. Next, click Output Resolution in the bottom right corner. Here's a quick tip. Pixels are the building blocks of your image. Selecting 100% keeps your original resolution, while 200% doubles the width and height. But don't worry, this isn't just stretching. AI fills in extra details, so your video actually becomes sharper and more detailed. In most consumer electronics, 720p, 108p, and 4K are designed based on a 16:9 aspect ratio. Directly selecting 720p or similar might change the original proportion of the image. 4. Once you've chosen the resolution, hit preview to see how the AI enhancement looks. Like what you see, then just click Export All, and your upgraded high-definition video is ready to go. And that's it, just a few clicks and VidHex breathes new life into your video. Give it a try and see your old videos in a way you've never seen before. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got more video tips coming your way.